Hey everyone, welcome to the video. And in this video, we are going to see what is Vite and how we can get started, how Vite is helping to quick and faster web development in your journey. And this is a new front-end tooling as mentioned on their website and how you can get started. So let's get started with the Vite.dev. You can simply reach out to the website with that particular link. I'm putting all the link in the description section. You can check. And the first thing that we're going to do is get started. So this is very beginner friendly and introduction video for you all. So just a quick introduction to Vite. We are going to read some of the major part of this guide, just like HMR, two components of the Vite, why Vite is important, the browser support and all the supported frameworks and libraries with the Vite. So very beginner friendly introduction to Vite is if you are experienced or if you are just starting with the web development, you maybe come across the concept Webpack, Babel, Parcel. So these all the just similar to Vite, which help you to create the node modules, the HM, the hot model reloading, performance, and all the just supporting the web browser to all the node modules and the like bundling the modules concept. If you're not familiar, you can search online. You'll just figure out. Webpack. The issue is when we if you work with the create React app in React, so after installing or after running the particular command, it takes a lot of time to build your project. It's be more than 2 minutes to create all the structure, install all the dependencies, and it also take the time to build the development server. So if you do some changes, it will take time to reflect into the browser. But here in Vite, what is take? There are two major parts in Vite, which is a development server and building command for bundling the modules with the help of rollup and pre-configure. There are a lot of configuration that we can do with the Vite.js config file. This is something we will looking into after creating the project. Two things that you have to keep in mind. Vite is fast and very quick with the creating the bundling the node modules and creating the installing all the dependencies in node modules. It supports development server. It creates a very quick project and help to production level code. The second thing which come into the place, which is HMR, which is hot module reloading, which is help us to just create the just installing the modules and just reflect the changes within a quick seconds. So it helps a lot to creating some good production level applications in your front end journey. So just start with the introduction. Vite is a French word which means a quick, pronounced just like Vite, and is built tools to aim or provide a faster and learner development experience for modern web projects. So it consists two major parts, which is the development servers for rich feature enhancement and native AS model. Native means which is defined by the particular language. Predefined models you can specifically. And for example, extremely fast hot model hot model replacement, which is HMR, and the build command bundles module with the rollup. So this is introduction and the browser support and all the stuff. You can read all the code and all the introduction section with the uh, website. The main motto behind this video is just to get hands-on practice and just start with the Vite. So these are the JavaScript framework libraries and all the frameworks supported by the Vite. How you can get started. You can check out all the list, and these are the playgrounds which is available. So let's start with the vanilla TypeScript module. Let's see how it looks like. So just see like how quick it is. Just like creating a project is like boosting a web container, installing dependencies, and all the modules. Just like this is a source folder, and just see like it's so quick compared to Webpack. Just like create React app and all those stuff. This is a pre-built counter application, so you can make changes with the source file counter.js, and you can make some changes here. You can do that. So yeah, like this is the thing. That's how the look likes. But we have set it like we are going to set up all the projects into a local system in the VS Code. So how we can get started? So if you are using very different people using a different package managers, like specifically I'm use a node package manager which is npm. If you are using yarn or npm, you can go to go. Commands are same and which is already defined here, so you will not stuck to any place where you don't find a particular command for a particular package. So package using a package manager is not an issue. So just start with the npm create white at latest command and let's see how it will create all the command and all those things. So just like create just make it something like this. So yeah, now it's fine. And phone compatibility node. Yeah, this is something important you have to check. Wait requires Node.js version 14.18 plus or 16 plus. So most of the people using Node 16 in the production, most of the startups companies. But if you are using a higher version, just like uh, Node 20 or Node 18, it it may be not stable version right now, but if you are using that, maybe you will trigger with some issues. So you have to figure out which version you have to using. I highly recommend to 16 or just go with 18. But if you are using Note 20 or 19 something, then just check out all the stuff your own, or you will trigger particular issues. Then you have to check the documentation. I'm using a Note 16, and you can check the Node version with the help of this, just like Note 16.16.0 simply. So just clear it and just start with the project. So just you can simply just copy this command and paste it here. I have a folder or just create a folder inside it, just like make directory with demo tutorial. I have something issue. Later I cannot take the demo diagnosis. Okay, right happening. So make directory demo. Okay, we have to get back. Actually, we are in a different. Yeah, right now it will work. Actually, I'm in a TypeScript React project which is not available. I'm delete a particular directory, and that's why we are getting error. So just like React with demo. Right now we have a directory called React with demo, and just like go to cd like this tab like React with demo cd React with demo file or direct showing here, but it's not transferring us. Oh, sorry, I misspelled the spelling. Okay. So just do something like this. Yeah, right now. So actually, I have misspelled the React spelling. That's why it's specific, but it's not matter. It's not the part. So we have copied the particular command. Just paste it here, and we already have a folder called React White Demo, and just hit the enter, and just see how quick it is creating project. So we are using React in React TypeScript. React plus LWC is something that I not explore my own, but you can explore your. So see, like it created all the projects and all the stuff. So, but before running npm install npm run dev, just we will explore all the project file structure and all the stuff. So ts config, because we choose the TypeScript uh, template while picking up the TypeScript, React TypeScript. So that's why all the TypeScript configuration Node.js files are here. Wait configurations is here because there are a lot of configuration like plugins and all the stuff you can configure your own in Wait. There's a bunch of stuff that you can do in white.config.ts file. The main stuff that I want to show you is package.json. So package.json is a all the dependencies and all the libraries that you install. It's the structure of your all the dependencies, history of your all dependencies that you're using, all the versions. So right now, if you see the dependencies React and React DOM, but we need other dependencies as well. If you are using Create React app, so it install a different. just like the running development servers, and all the script and all the stuff. But we don't hear any kind of dependencies that we are seeing because we need to install manually in Wait all the project structure, all the template that we will get within a week. But it will, but if you want to install all dependencies, you have to just go with a particular this command, and then it will help to run our development server with this command. So just check out the dependencies. We have two and all the stuff just like TypeScript and all the stuff. So just hit the npm install and it will create all the node modules, because if you just see here we have no modules folder. So this command will install all the dependencies modules that we required for our project. So it's installing right now, and then we will hit npm run dev. So the main behind the reason to use Vite is the quick and fast. It saves your time to install all the projects and creating all the stuff. You can use Babel and Webpack as well, but there are particular issues that developers are facing, and Vite is a solution that developers are looking, and Vite is gaining a popularity. So you can stick to your own, but this is something new tool you should know and you can try it. And then this npm run there. This command is for developing, just like starting our development server. So just see how quick is. Just like simply we get link, just follow the link and just like hit enter, and we will get all the default counter app. Just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 White plus React. And if you want to just make changes, you go to edit app.tsx. Similar to in React, we have to just app.jsx file. We have to do that. Uh, if I want to make some changes, just see, just make it hello plus React. So just hello white. We will going to do that app.tsx. Then we have to just check where is the yeah. mm, we can make it something. Hello. Once I save, it's see like here is the change like white React hello, but see here just like white HMR update source update.tsx. So HMR, which is a hot module replacement of hot module reloading that you can say, which creates something quick and fast. You just reflect your changes to your browser, and it loads all the node modules and all the stuff into the your browser. So it makes it so quick and fast for you to just work with that and just build your application to production. And if you want to uh, assume that you have to build uh, into the production kind of stuff and production folder, and at the end of the uh, end, once you build a project, you have to do the production level folder called this. So you can simply run the command npm run build. So it is not different in terms of command. It's similar, just have to some two or three changes. But it's similar to React application. So if you are trying to switch, it will not take you the more time. I think you have to just create a one or two project. It will automatically get all the ideas if you're already working with that. So just do the npm run there, and it will create all the necessary TypeScript, React, HTML, CSS, JavaScript files. So we have this folder here and all the assets, all the index HTML, white.svg files. So this is our production folder that you can put to the production, and this is our development structure of the project. So yeah, like that's how you can start with the React. These are the all the concept and required stuff. You can create with the React TypeScript all the template. Just specify here similar to this. You don't need to select all the React TypeScript stuff. Community template, and these are the something you have to explore your own, because if you are going to explain one by one, it will take more time for us. And the static assets, building for production, deploying a static site. These are the some main and major components of the Vite that you have to. I highly recommend to go and check it out your own. the backend integration, how you can use the Vite in the backend and how you can integrate server side rendering, and CLI, how you can use on CLI just like host modules and all the stuff. So yeah, this is something that I want to show you all how you can get started with Vite. And there are a bunch of stuff you have to explore your own. You can check out the free code camp and all the stuff. But this is very beginner friendly introduction for you all to just how you can start with Vite commands, how you can build production level folder on all the structure, make some changes to it. This is a development server which is running on port 127.0.1. So yeah, that's it. And if you have any issue with that, with the video, just put the question in the description section. I'll be happy to help. And see you in the next video. Thank you for tuning in.